Hello, Mary. My name is Dennis. Right. You brought out the dogs, didn't you? Proves the point. I'm a muppet. I'm proud to be a muppet. You shouldn't be proud to be a muppet because you're human. Right? You fucking listen to me now. You don't be taking the muppets in the doll and bringing out the dogs. Right? I'm going to tell you. You don't bring out the dogs for watering. Right? Okay. Now, Taoiseach, as you're called the fucking Taoiseach, fucking, aren't you? We won't fucking pay for fucking water. You can bring out laws, you can send us to prison, you'll try to take it out of our bank accounts, as the people say, but I am entitled, right? Even as a puppet, I'm entitled to be paid, right? I'm paying for no water, and you won't take it out of my bank account, right? Do you hear me? The Muppets stay in the doll, right? You don't fucking come. You come better politicians, you do. And that's what I tell you. Now, fuck off, politicians. And the Muppets will stay on stage, right? Where they are. Get out of the doll, the Muppets. Get out of the fucking doll, right? Right? The Enda, get out. The Taoiseach, get out. Good luck.